Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome Young Studio for the yes. Today I want to show you how to install Asus Zenfone 6 wallpaper stock on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay, get ready to do this. Get ready. Under this video on the link 2, you can see how to download this. Okay, now when you download this file, extract this and copy directly on your beautiful phone. Okay, wonderful. This is one UE and it's so wonderful, so beautiful. Let me clean my screen right now because it's so great. Yes, get ready to do this. Alright, now we can go. As you see, beautiful. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpaper on my beautiful phone with one UE. One UE easier. Wow, beautiful. So great. I like it. As you see, it's so wonderful. Now, let's unlock your phone to access here. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, beautiful. Wonderful. Okay, when you download this wallpaper, extract this wallpaper on a folder and copy this directly on your phone. As you see, I don't do this. I have done this. Look at that is here. Asus. Oh, look at that. Asus. Okay. Thank you. Now you can do this to access to all of your beautiful wallpapers. Okay, you can now choose gallery like that always and set as a wallpaper. Before doing this, look at all of wallpapers here. Go back, let's see it first. Look at that. Wow, this screen of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is so great. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Amazing color. And beautiful. So great. So nice. Wow, I like it. Look at again. Wow. Amazing. So nice. That is so great. Ooh. Wonderful. Beautiful. Look at that. And this. Ooh, not bad. And face. Ooh, so great. Well done, it's done. Now when you can when you want to do like our papers of your lock screen. This is not bad. But I prefer this. Set as a wallpaper on lock screen. Lock screen like that. Okay, number 2. Take this and put set as wallpaper. Oh, what are you doing? Console. Set as wallpaper on your home screen like that. Okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Now set as wallpaper home screen and look at that now. Wow, this is amazing, amazing color. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so nice and the effect Wow, amazing, amazing. I like this. What on my lock screen? Okay, so great. Also, more colors and wow, it's so fantastic. I like it. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this. And this video and get ready for more videos on Young Studio 4D. If you like, you can like, subscribe and share and get ready. Don't forget to download this wallpaper. This wallpaper is stock wallpaper. Under this video link is here and get ready. Look at that. S9 Plus. I like it. Subscribe today. No screen, beautiful. I like it. Wow, so nice. Look at that. I like it. Wow. It's so amazing. Amazing color. Amazing effect. All of this are amazing. Wow. Wow, so great. I like this. Subscribe today.